Suppose you have 10 different marbles. In how many ways can you arrange exactly 4 of them in a straight line? Okay, so it is as good as saying I have 10 distinct digits. Okay, and in how many ways can I form sequence of numbers taking these 10 digits? Same thing, right? So 4 places I have. Okay, and let's take any place. Okay, यहाँ पे order का भी issue नहीं है कि हाँ 10,000 place पे 0 नहीं आ सकता, वो भी नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, so for simplicity, but again I'll start with the last place. Okay, in this place I have 10 options. उसके बगल में I will have exactly 9 options, right? So in this particular place I could have filled 10 में से कोई भी एक marble, right? अब हमने एक marble यहाँ place कर दिया है 10 में से कोई तो एक. So for this place I have exactly 9 options, right? Same way for the next neighboring place I have exactly 8, and this place I have 7 options, right? So total number of ways क्या हो जाएगा guys? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, multiply them, you get 5040. Okay. Now what I will do is, just as a mathematical jugglery, I'll multiply and divide ऊपर नीचे by 6 factorial. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, divide by we have 6 factorial. Okay. Now guys, 6 factorial into 7 is 7 factorial, into 8 is 8 factorial, into 9 is 9 factorial, into 10 is 10 factorial, right? So now I have 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial, right? Again, in the denominator, when you have 6 factorial, I will replace the 6 factorial with 10 minus 4 factorial, right? Are we understanding this, guys? Okay, so we can say that, okay, number of permutations of n distinct objects taken r at a time, it's nothing but npr given as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, ये हम कब use करेंगे? Whenever we are arranging, permuting, sequencing or ordering some objects, right? So अगर हमारे पास n number of objects है guys, and we want to arrange, permute or sequence or order them in r places, the number of ways of doing this is basically denoted by npr. And that is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, right? So जैसे कि आपने यहाँ पे observe किया, हमारे पास 10 different objects थे, okay, and they needed to be arranged in 4 places. So basically 10p4 ways में we should arrange them, right? And you observe carefully, this is nothing but 10 factorial numerator में, and नीचे you have 10 minus 4, that is 6 factorial, isn't it? And that's how we get 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial, and that is 10p4. See, it is nothing but application of counting principle only. ये NPR कोई सा rocket science नहीं है, it is derived from counting principle only, right? हमने counting में ही ऊपर नीचे multiply divide किया by 6 factorial or basically n minus r factorial, and that's exactly how we got NPR. Okay, let's go on to the next part, guys. Suppose you have 10 different books. In how many ways can you select exactly 4 books? Okay. I want you to pay complete attention to the next 5 or 10 minutes जो मैं explain करूँगा यहाँ पे, because बहुत लोग ये देख के confuse होते हैं. So I don't want you to be left with even a doubt of confusion. So let's get going. Okay. Suppose I have exactly 2 books. Guys, we need to first understand the difference between arrangements and selections. Okay. So suppose I have 2 books. Okay. And I want to arrange them. Okay. 2 books in 2 places can be arranged in 2p2 or 2 factorial ways, right? That is 2. ओके, बट अगर मैं सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूं, ओके, मेरे पास 2 बुक्स अवेलेबल है, मेरे को दोनों सिलेक्ट करना है, एक ही तरीका हो, राइट? Isn't it? Similarly, if I'm suppose having 3 books, okay, they can be arranged in 3p3, that is 3 factorial of 6 ways, right? बट अगर मैं सिलेक्ट करूंगा तीनों को, तो एक ही सिलेक्शन कहलाएगा ना, बिकॉज़ आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दीस 3 बुक्स. एक ब्लैक सिलेक्ट किया, एक व्हाइट और एक रेड. ओके, द सीक्वेंस इज नॉट ऑफ एनी कंसर्न विद मी राइट नाउ. सेम वे, इफ आई हैव 4 बुक्स, 4 factorial 24 ways में, you can arrange them, but you can select them in exactly one way, right? एक ही सिलेक्शन कहलाएगा, वो ब्लैक सिलेक्ट किया, व्हाइट सिलेक्ट किया, रेड सिलेक्ट किया और ब्लू सिलेक्ट किया, राइट? सो यहाँ से हम एक चीज सीखते हैं गाइस. इफ यू हैव 2 objects, okay, the number of ways of arranging them is 2 factorial, but the number of ways of selecting exactly 2 is only 1, right? Similarly, if you have 3 objects, okay, the number of ways of arranging them is 6, but number of ways of selecting them is exactly 1, okay? And suppose if you have 4 objects, number of ways of arranging them is 24, but 4 में से 4 select करने का एक ही तरीका होगा, only one way, right? Okay. Now then the question, okay, first of all, we need to select 10 different books में से 4 books बोला है ना, तो पहले हम लोग ये चीज देखते हैं guys, 10 books में से हम लोग exactly 4 books को arrange कितने ways में कर सकते हैं. We saw it in the previous slide, that is 10p4 or basically 10 factorial upon 6 factorial, right? So number of ways of arranging 4 out of 10 objects is 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial, right? Now guys, we saw that for 4 factorial arrangements, okay, for 4 factorial arrangements, we have exactly one selection, right? So if you have 10 factorial upon 6 factorial arrangements, जो कि 10 में से 4 objects की arrangement है, इनमें से हम लोग कितने selection निकाल सकते हैं, ये find करना है ना? So 4 factorial arrangements we saw correspond to only one selection, right? तो जब 10 ऑब्जेक्ट में से 4 सिलेक्ट करने हैं, वो सिलेक्शन कितने वेज में हम लोग कर सकते हैं? दैट इज 4 factorial corresponding to 1, then 10 factorial upon 6 factorial correspond to what? You cross multiply, you will get this question mark as 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, cross multiplying, that's what we get. So this is the number of combinations of n distinct objects taken r at a time. Okay, this is NCR, that is given by n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. It's also NPR divided by r factorial. Okay guys, we use it whenever we are selecting, choosing, picking, grouping, etc. Okay, जहाँ भी the order of the arrangement does not make a difference, जहाँ भी orders matter नहीं करता, there we will always go for combinations. Okay, we will never go for arrangements there in that case. Okay, so यहाँ पे if you understand, okay, we have 10 different books. Okay, and we need to select exactly 4. This can be done in 10 C4 ways, and number of ways is 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. Okay, अगर आपको अभी भी confusion है, okay, 10 PR ways में हम लोग select कर सकते हैं 10 में से 4 books. Okay, but the arrangement of all these 4 books in 4 places will give only one selection. So divide this with 4 factorial, because 4 factorial corresponds to only 1, right? You again get this formula. Okay, so that's the formula for NCR. Okay, now guys, question में directly कहीं बोला नहीं होगा कहाँ पे permutation apply करना है, कहाँ पे combination apply करना है. Okay, but धीरे-धीरे with practice, okay, you can always build up the judgment कि हाँ कहाँ पे क्या apply करेंगे. Okay,